Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So in this video, we will run through the full comparison between Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Note that all the given specs are based on leaks and rumors, but sure it will guide you to know which of the device you would like to go for when the time is right. Let's get started, talking about the dimension. The length of the Note 22 Ultra is 6.7 inches, while Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with 6.5 inches. Talking about the width, 3.05 inches and 3.02 inches. The weight, Note 22 Ultra weight 335 grams and Galaxy S22 Ultra 234 grams. Over to the display. Display type, both device has Super AMOLED. The display aspect ratio of both devices has a 20:09 aspect ratio. The display size, Note 22 Ultra is 6.9 inches, while Galaxy S22 Ultra is 6.8 inches. The display resolution, Note 22 Ultra is 1400 by 3400 and S22 Ultra is 1400 by 3200. Display screen to body ratio, 94.2 and 93.2. Talking about the display PPI density, 525 ppi and 525 ppi. Display Gorilla Glass, both device has Gorilla Glass Victus. Over to the camera, the Note 22 Ultra main camera, 200MP, f2.2, ultra wide lens 42MP, f2.1, telephoto 36MP, f1.4, space zoom 200x, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, main camera 108MP, f2.2, ultra wide lens 36MP, f4.1, telephoto 16MP, f2.2, space zoom 120x. Video recording max resolution, both device has 8K at 60 fps. So the video selfie is 40MP, f2.4, HDR, 4K at 60 fps, while S22 Ultra has 32MP, f2.4, HDR, 4K at 60 fps. Over to the CPU hardware, both devices have Octa-Core. The GPU, both devices have Adreno 670. Talking about the chipset, the Note 22 Ultra will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 and while the S22 Ultra Qualcomm Snapdragon 890. Now the RAM, both devices have 14GB, 16GB, 18GB. The internal memory of both devices will feature 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. Talking about the microSD card slot, Note 22 Ultra will have a slot while there is no card slot in S22 Ultra. The operating system of both devices will come with Android 12. Over to the battery capacity, Note 22 Ultra has 6000 mAh and 65W fast charging, and S22 Ultra has 5500 mAh 30W fast charging. Here are the other main features. Right now we haven't heard any price range for both devices, but once the price has been reviewed I will share it with you guys. We can highly recommend both devices as their features are really superb. Note that all the stated specs are based on leaks and rumors. That is all for now guys. Without being said, if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.